Okay, back in the garage, just cleaning up. Didn't want to make a video on cleaning up, but I figured out what I could do besides cleaning up. I'm gonna start driving this thing around, but needs a battery tie down. That's my situation so far. Let's take it apart and let's see what else we can do with it. I don't have a deep socket 10. I guess this is gonna have to do. This is so dumb. Before we short out and ground out, let's disconnect the battery. And then I just put this in temporarily with this foam. So dumb. Okay, so here's my battery tie down. Shift it towards the positive, it sparks. Shift it towards the ground, nothing happens. The main problem is the ECU's in the way. Oh. Like that much. Now to do the other side. Just gonna center that and center that. Just gonna tack weld some pencil rod right across there. Alright, so we have this doodah and that doodah. We just need to tack it, weld it, and put two tabs. One tab for the J-bolt and one tab to go to the body. These clamps are probably going to melt. We'll just use it real quick to tack it. It's burning. Clamps are burning. Oh. Melting batteries. Alright, there it is chilling. I'm gonna weld this little wrist pin in here. And then we're gonna get a little piece of metal strap to go over. Cut it. Alright, there's the angle I'm working with. I gotta get it to go over this ECU connector. We'll bend down. Oh, this is so dumb. I got a whole workbench, but here I am welding on the floor. I would have TIG welded all of it, but I suck at TIG welding, first of all. Second of all, I ran out of gas. The weld started becoming contaminated. Line it up. Okay, so it's bolted up there, it's clamped there. Got the J-bolt there. That's it for today. That's enough shitty cars.